Hey guys, what's going on? Joshua Elder here. Welcome back to the channel. You guys haven't seen my face in quite a while because I've been focusing on mastering YouTube ads further. I've been dabbling a little bit here and there for the past about 2 to 3 years, but decided to get super serious about YouTube ads. And the reason why is because if you watched one of my previous videos, I got sort of burnt out from uploading constantly and keeping up with the YouTube algorithm. Not that you need to upload constantly to succeed with YouTube. I just felt that, I sort of had to do that. And so that led to just me losing momentum and me not liking what I was doing. And so it's not that affiliate marketing is bad. It's that often we approach this business from the wrong perspective and with the wrong intentions. We really need to get clear on what we want and a game plan to help us accomplish that. So my goal is to create a 1 to 2 hour workday and live my perfect day every day and make at least 5 figures a month. I actually have a goal. I would absolutely love to make $1 million in a year by working 2 hours a day. And I believe it's truly possible when you have the right level of personal development, when you have the right strategy in place, when you have the right mentors. And so I'll eventually get there, right? And I think this is one of the turning points, and this is kind of one of the strategies that I'm going to need to get there. And so if you guys want to support me, I'm obviously excited to have you and have your support. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you do support me. And I'm sorry that I haven't been uploading quite as frequently. I've been in the lab just mastering YouTube ads. There's a lot of moving parts. There's a lot to it. But once you understand it, which is obviously my goal, just to understand it on a completely, deeper level, then I can teach you guys how to better deploy YouTube marketing, specifically paid ads inside of your business without dealing with a lot of the headaches and errors that I've dealt with in the past. I've spent over $36,000 of my own money over the course of the past 2 years mastering, YouTube ads. And I've been doing it for a while, and I knew enough to get by, but I really want to dig deep into optimization and all the intricate details that go along with YouTube ads. We won't get into that today, but I do want to show you what I've been up to. Last Tuesday, today is Tuesday, October 9th, but last Tuesday, I started running a brand new affiliate marketing campaign. I plan to have multiple campaigns running in different niches. In this specific niche, you guys can see that I just started this campaign last Tuesday. And I kind of got lucky, I think. Got a sell right out of the gate and then went about a week without a sell. And that's normal, especially when you're tweaking the campaign, optimizing the campaign. So I did a little bit of optimization, nothing too much. And I've still made at the end of the week $266.77. And you can actually go down here. You can even go to my Facebook. If you go to facebook.com/Josh C. Elder, feel free to follow me. I know I'm pretty maxed out on friends, pretty close there. So feel free to follow me, shoot me a message, let me know that you're cheering me on and all that good stuff. And you can see below here, I posted a screenshot of my of how much I've spent on this campaign over the past 7 days. So everything's looking good. Very little optimization. What we're going to start doing is optimizing this campaign. And what's so cool about this specific campaign is my face is not involved, at least on the front end of this campaign whatsoever. Okay, so like my goal with this is not only create success with it, but to help other people duplicate it as well that may be newer online or people that may be looking for their breakthrough. So I'm not even using my own ads. I'm actually using somebody else's ads. I'm not going to give away the product quite yet until this campaign is fully done. But if you want the inside scoop on how I'm deploying this campaign, if you want to know the product, if you want to know the strategy, If you want to know how to do YouTube ads, I'm obviously going to be launching a course here in the future, but after, I've, ensured that I can in fact run profitable YouTube ads. I'm not one of those people that speak theory, but I want to prove for myself, be in the trenches, that I can do this. Once I do that, I will be releasing a product. But if you'd like to follow me more closely, I have my inner circle members that pretty much get over the shoulder. They get access to what I'm doing as I'm doing it. Literally, like as if you were over the shoulder right here watching me deploy these campaigns from start to finish. So that's pretty cool. So you get the chance to do that. That's one of the cool things, of course, about my Inner Circle program is you get live case studies. And I'm creating brand new case studies on a weekly basis. So, the price is definitely worth it if that's something that you're interested in. Regardless, I hope that you got some value from this video. It will continue to progress. It's going to take a lot of testing, a lot of tweaking too as well. I know that this is just the beginning. So I will continue to update you guys on my progress. So if I'm not uploading quite frequently, it's because I'm in the lab right now. I'm sharpening the saw. I'm in the trenches, mastering a new trade. I built a 7-figure business using free traffic strategies. I've been doing free traffic strategies for the past, 3.5, almost 4 years online. And it's time to scale with paid traffic and really master paid traffic. So, definitely we'll get deeper into the webinar game, get deeper into affiliate marketing, CPA marketing. I'm actually launching I'm going to be testing a CPA health product and even a Clickbank product. We'll be split testing those with YouTube ads. So stay tuned for that. Show you guys results on that. So with that being said, if you would like to learn how to build a life and business full of freedom, passion, fulfillment, and learn how to build a business with free traffic and little to no risk, as well as over-the-shoulder case studies of what I'm doing right now, like this campaign, click the link in the description below and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. And comment below, have you had any experience with YouTube ads? And if so, what was your result? This is Josh Hiller signing off. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye now.